So, Avinash and Tripti, how are the new age Laila Majnu different from the ones we have heard about and seen in films till date?
They are very different from the old Laila Majnu because before reading the script, I obviously had a certain image of Laila and Majnu in my mind. I thought Laila would be this very conservative, very controlled, very ladylike, very proper. But she's very different. She's a flirt in 2018. she's very clever. She knows how to use her charm to get her work done from people. She's an attention seeker.
Just like her.
She's someone who lives in a fantasy world. उसके दिमाग में अलग फिल्म चल रही है जिसकी वो खुद लैला है और she's a part of such a great love story but she herself doesn't know the meaning of love. उसको जो idea है love का वो intrigue करता है. मजनू का मुझे लगा था मजनू would be a flirt but बिल्कुल opposite. Majnu is someone who's looking for true love. So they are very different from Majnu.
Avinash, what about you? How do you think it is different from the Majnus we have heard about?
I've been saying this. Majnu पहले भी वैसा ही था, आज भी वैसे ही, कल भी वैसा ही रहेगा. कैस का किरदार, कैस को ये तमगा मिला था मजनू का. When he went mad in love, प्यार में पागल जब हो गया. कैस is a boy who's very honest, optimistic, very positive. That's something that will come through in the film. That he's such a positive guy. He has immense faith in what he believes in. He's not an ambitious guy. Reis Baap ka beta hai, which is unlike any Laila Majnu that we have seen. He's a rich guy, lives his life bade mauj mein, but he's still searching for something. There's something which is incomplete, which kind of comes together when he happens to meet Laila. And then all hell breaks loose when they are separated, and that's when you discover Majnu, which is what you'll have to see in the film.
So Mr. Imtiaz Ali said in an interview that the Majnu in this film is very similar to Jordan from Rockstar.
Yeah.
So would you agree to that?
Now that he has made this comparison, I'll go back and look at it like that. I think both of them have both the characters have expressed an angst towards the world that they live in, and Majnu has abandoned the world that he was part of, which Jordan could not. And so I think with Majnu, he's been able to take it a step further and say that अगर आपकी दुनिया में आप मुझे नहीं रख सकते तो मुझे आपकी दुनिया नहीं चाहिए, मैं अपनी अलग दुनिया में.
So we see you going through a different kind of phases in this film. So could you share something about it?
Yes. So the first half of the film is about the love and coming together of them. The second part actually explores the longing, which is what majorly the film is about. And after that longing, there is this whole segment where you realize this guy has abandoned the society and rebels for love in a way that we have not seen. So Majnu happens to do that, which is why you see a whole sequence of events for him. There's a whole transition in looks and the way of being till the very end of the film. I think it will be very exciting and interesting to see it.
Tripti, Avinash has done some work before, but this is your very first film.
Yeah.
And in your very first film, you have to play such a mature and kind of quite a challenging role.
How jealous of her! I'm really like envious of her to another level.
So was it difficult? Was it challenging?
It was a little difficult initially because when I read the script, I was like, "Acha, Laila ka character hai, and these two characters, I think Laila and Majnu are still alive because people are still talking about them."
Yeah.
वो Laila Majnu. आजकल के गानों में और फिल्मों में भी keep using their name. लैला और मजनू के बारे में जितना भी मैंने सुना था, तो मुझे जब पता चला कि लैला मुझे प्ले करना है, तो बहुत डर लगा शुरू में. I got super nervous. मुझे लगा कि या तो audience will accept me as लैला या फिर they will be like, what is this girl doing? तो शुरू में I was a little nervous and underconfident, but I guess with the help of my co-actor Avinash Tiwari and Sajid, I could understand the character really well. बहुत सारे reading sessions मेरे हुए with Sajid sir, with Imtiaz sir, तो I think that kind of helped me get into the character. Also, Sajid sir, I think, took us to Kashmir 15 days prior to the shoot, and we were told to observe the way people spoke and behaved, and to get an understanding of the culture of Kashmir and all of that. I think
Yeah, I
that
think
was the first step towards becoming.
the culture of Kashmir is an integral part of the film, which is what was very interesting, that we went 15 days before the shoot to kind of get a sense of how people lived there and how they spoke and what was the culture there, which is what, as I said, is a major part of the film. Thank you for being so generous, giving me the credit of helping you out with things.
You're quite the method actor. You camped in a very isolated place for several days.
Very honestly, method acting is one of the most abused words after love. ये इस फिल्म में ये दोनों हमने explore किया है. I think more than camping in the woods, it was more about isolating myself. See, Majnu abandons the world and lives in the woods. I have no idea what it is. And I'm not a skilled actor enough to be able to do that. So I had to take an experience of what it would be, which is why that step was taken. I hope it becomes fruitful in the film.
So the music, I just heard the album, the music is amazing. So which one is your favorite song? Would you like to say something about the music of the film?
Which is your favorite? First, you tell.
My favorite is Aista.
My favorite is Sarkari. एक तो because श्रेया घोषाल ने ये गाया है and she's my favorite singer. बचपन से ही she's
The
my,
dream come true for you. Yeah,
तो Sarkari is my favorite. Plus it's choreographed by the great Mr. Imtiaz Ali. So it was a unique experience for me. उनकी direction में मुझे काम करने का मौका मिला. तो that is my favorite.
So any message to the audience who would come to this film, watch this film on September? Like why should what different they should accept, what they have not seen in a Laila Majnu story till now?
I'll tell you. See, Laila Majnu is a story which has lasted for several years now, thousands of years actually, and I think it's most relevant in today's times, especially in the times where I see more loneliness around and people looking for something that they're searching. Right swipe जो चालू है, हर 2 दिन में so there is definitely a search, which is what makes you go there, right?
Do you think the audience will be able to connect with the new age audience?
What do you think? I really want to ask Anish, tell me this. Do you really think the idea of love is not relevant today?
Of course it is, but I think the dynamics have changed. The dynamics have changed enough.
The dynamics of relationship probably would have changed. The idea of love still remains constant, and this is something that we have explored in the film. The way we have perceived love for all these years. I'd heard about soulmates, the idea of soulmates while growing up, and for some reason it had disappeared. This is our opportunity to present it back to the world and say, bro, you know what? This is what you were looking for. Don't fool yourself. Don't really fool yourself. Come and watch this film. This film talks about love, talks about that madness in love, and something that you all are searching deep within you. You'll experience that in the film.
Looking forward to the film. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you so much.
एक्सपीरियंस कैसा लगा कि बड़े फिल्म साजिद अली के साथ में काम करना और शूटिंग के टाइम ऐसे कोई फनी मोमेंट्स जो आपके साथ?
फनी सर, हमारे सेट पे ना कैरेक्टर्स बहुत फनी हैं. कुछ ऐसे 1-2 किस्से तो नहीं हैं, काफ़ी सारे हैं. ऐसे याद नहीं आ रहा.
लॉलीपॉप.
अरे हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब को लॉलीपॉप खाने का बहुत शौक है. वो सेट में शूट स्टार्ट होने से पहले सबको लॉलीपॉप्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे. वो सब जैसे होता है ना क्रिसमस के टाइम सांता क्लॉज आते हैं और सबको टॉफीज निकाल के बांटते हैं, वैसे साजिद सर रोज आके शायद लॉलीपॉप्स बांटते थे. एक्चुअली
I saw that picture. Four of you guys sitting and having lollipop. सब बकायदा नीचे खड़े हो जाते थे. And साजिद ऐसे इसमें बॉक्स में लॉलीपॉप्स लेकर आते थे और सबको ऐसे फेंक कर बांटते थे.
लॉली गैंग था हमारे.
लॉली गैंग था. एवरीवन वुड लुक फॉरवर्ड कि आज कौन सा लॉलीपॉप मिल रहा है उन्हें. सो फनी मोमेंट्स वो था. जहाँ तक ये बात है कि इम्तियाज सर और बालाजी मोशन पिक्चर्स, सो यार वेरी ऑनेस्टली लुक एट अस. हम स्ट्रगलिंग एस्पायरिंग एक्टर्स हैं. हम इस बीच से आप लोगों के बीच से निकल कर आए हैं, इफ़ यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. और इम्तियाज अली जैसे प्रोलिफिक फिल्म मेकर के साथ काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है. एकता कपूर जो 3 मीडियम्स पे लिटरली रूल कर रही हैं. आई डोंट नो इफ देयर इज एनीवन एल्स हु हैंडल्स थ्री मीडियम्स है, मुझे नहीं लगता। तो एक और दोनों बहुत ही विचारधारा में अलग हैं थोड़े, नहीं तो एक बहुत ही बड़ा बैंडविड्थ मिला है हमें, और इन दोनों महान लोगों ने हम पर भरोसा जताया है फिल्म करने का। ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही सौभाग्य की बात है, एंड आई होप वी आर वर्दी ऑफ दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी।
तो जैसे एकता मैम ने भी आपको बताया थी कि ऑडिशन के टाइम पे आपको सेलेक्ट करके जो मतलब कितना डिफिकल्ट रहा आपके जो स्टार्टिंग के टाइम, जो ऑडिशन के टाइम
तो यार बड़ी मुश्किल थी। काफ़ी लंबे समय तक हमने ऑडिशन दिया। मुझे इनसे थोड़ी ईर्ष्या इसीलिए होती है मुझे काफ़ी लंबे समय तक
मेरा भी लंबा था, मैंने भी 2016 में दिया था।
हाँ, we tested once and then we had to this for me it was like 2015 से लेके continuously करीबन 18-20 टेस्ट दिए मैंने इसके लिए, और उसके बाद ये जाके फिल्म हाथ में आई और आकर निकल भी गई, मतलब आई और फिर फिल्म होते होते रह गई। फिर 2017 में वापस रिवाइव हुई जब मोहतरमा वापस से आई हैं,
मेरे शुभ कदम पड़ते ही हिंदी फिल्म चल
वापस से शुरू हो गई। So we've been fortunate to have her. I'm really blessed to have this film. And एकता मैम से एक्चुअली मुलाकात हुई तो उन्होंने मिलते ही हाथ मिलाते सीधा बोला कि यार we are gonna hit this out of the park. So वो जो भरोसा है that has really filled us with a lot of joy and power.
तो सर 7 सितंबर पलटन मूवी भी आ रही है, मतलब बोथ मूवी आर रिलीज हुए थे, तो कुछ कंपटीशन ऐसा कुछ आप
यार पलटन में मेरे बहुत ही प्रिय मित्र हैं हर्षवर्धन राणे, और हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे को फोन किया कि यार ये देख फिल्म आने के साथ को ये दिन अपने लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल है। सो दैट्स हाउ वी लुक एट इट। ये कंपटीशन आप ही लोग सोचते हैं हम दोनों के लिए कि हमारी फिल्म आ रही है, इट्स अ सेम डे रिलीज, इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन फॉर बोथ।